Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate how to use and maintain the BTR 2 litre hydration bladder. This bladder is universal fitting and will fit in just about any backpack, including the ones that we offer. Okay, first of all we have the hose, which can be completely detached from the bladder. Sometimes this needs quite a good yank, which is good, so we know it's nice and secure. The mouthpiece there comes with some protective wrapping for transit. Okay, before you first use the bladder and after each use, we'd recommend you give it a good clean. And this is what we would suggest before first use. Then, like we just said, with the warm soapy water, but if you add 2 teaspoons of bicarbonate of soda, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, fill it up, give it a really good shake, leave it for half an hour or so, then come back to it, give it a good rinse, really thorough rinse out several times, and then that should make sure it's really clean, no funny tastes with it, and good to go. And then just give it a clean after each use. Now it's full of water, we can demonstrate how to use the hose and the tap. Okay, first thing to mention is the yellow lever here, which is the on and off switch. So, at the moment, as we can see, that is off, and if we just flick the lever, see the water coming out, flick the lever again, and it stops it. The same will work when we put. The first thing to mention about the valve is when you first, so it's a bite valve there, and you can see the hole. When you first get it, they're often sealed for transit, so it can take quite a little bit of effort sometimes, just prodding and poking, and you might need, if you've got nails, put a nail in there just to prise it open, or even something like a Stanley knife just to get it open. But once open, it works really well. The slit is always there, even though it's a little bit of an effort sometimes at the beginning. You would just be biting that and the water will be coming in. And that's it, nice and simple. Thank you for listening and hope you enjoy using the bladder.